Dear students, good morning. Let us see the problem on balancing of rotating masses. Okay, let us see the problem. 4 masses M1, M2, M3, M4 are 200 kg, 300 kg, 240 kg, 260 kg respectively. That means 4 masses means here. See, let us see here. First one 200, that means here, see this one 200 kg. Let us take this one as M1 200 kg. Next one M2 300 kg, next 240 and 260. That means this is M2 and this is M3 and this is M4. Like that we have 4 forces. Okay, the corresponding radius of rotation are 0.2 meters, 0.15, 0.25 and 0.3 meters respectively. That means they are given R1 equal to 0.2 meters and R2 equal to 0.15 meters. Similarly, R3 is equal to 0.25 meters and R4 equal to 0.3 meters. Okay, and the angle between the successive masses are 45 degrees, 75 and 135 degrees. That means successive means between two angles. That means initially we have 0 degrees for M1 and that means see here theta 1 is 0 degrees and theta 2 is the 0 plus 45 degrees and theta 3 is the 45 plus what is the next angle 45 plus 75, 45 plus 75, that means the value is what is that 125. Next value is 125 and theta 4 is the 125 plus what is the next angle 45, 75 and 135. We have to add that value, that is 135. The total value is next value 255 okay degrees. So you have to draw that figure, this figure with these angles. Okay, see on the first one M1 with 0 degrees, next one 300 kg M2 with 45 degrees. By using protractor you can draw. Okay, next one mass M3, this one M3, the angle is 125 degrees. See this one. Next one mass M4, angle is 255 degrees, the last angle 255 degrees. The alpha protractor you can measure that angle, you can draw. Okay, let us see the values once. Here they are given the mass values M1, M2, M3, M4. Similarly radius R1, R2, R3, R4. Similarly these are M1, R1 centrifugal force, M2, R2, M3, R3, M4, R4. Okay, the basic formula is MR omega square, but here you have to take M1 R1 because where omega is constant for all the forces. So M1 R1, M2 R2, like that you have to take the product. So R1 into 0.2, that is 40 kg meter square. Okay, similarly 45, 60, 78. Let us give the names as A, B, B, C, C, D and D. Okay, here you have to take the suitable scale. The scale factor 10 meters is equal to 1 centimeter. 10 meters is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, for this 40 means 4 centimeters, 45 4.5 centimeters. For 60, take 6 centimeters. 78, 7.8 centimeters. Okay, let us see. So here we are having values, centripetal force values. M1 R1 is equal to 40 kg meters. That means AB, that is 4 centimeter based on the scale factor. Okay, let us draw. Okay, in this drafter. Okay, on this figure you can start here. Okay, initially take AB from this figure. Here AB is 4 centimeters. AB is 4 centimeters. Okay, so from this take the help of drafter. Take 4 centimeters. See, check. It is the 4 centimeters. Name is AB. Okay, next force is this one. Next force is this one. You have to fix the drafter for this angle. You have to fix the drafter for this angle and reproduce here. Reproduce same angle here. Okay, it should be parallel. This line should be parallel. This one. Okay, this line and this line should be parallel. Okay, what is the length of BC? BC is 4.5 centimeters. Take 4.5 centimeters in this angle. Okay, what is the next angle? This one. The next one, this one. You have to fix the drafter for this angle and parallel to that line. Measure here. Okay, see, it should be parallel to that line. Check here. What is the length here? That is at 6 centimeters. So you have to take 6 centimeters. You can check here. 6 centimeters. In the last, you have to fix the drafter for this line. Fix the drafter. Okay, and parallel to that line, you have to draw. That is this one. That is this one. Should be parallel to that line. Okay. There is what is that length? That is 7.8 centimeters. 7.8 centimeters. Okay. Now the last point E and A should be joined. Okay, to find out the AE, that is the balanced. Okay, that is the balanced couple. So balanced force. That is AE. You have to measure. Okay, the same value should be. You have to take. That is 2.1. Okay, here 2.1 is centimeters. The resultant force, that is nothing but centrifugal force. Okay, you have to convert into scale factor. It means 2.1 into 10, that is 21 kg meter. Okay, this is equal to mR. But in the problem they are already given a R value. Okay, it is, see, you can see here. Find the position and magnitude of balance mass required. If its radius of rotation is 0.2 meters, that means they are given the R value. Okay, so for that you have to you have to find mass value. So 21 by 0.2, 21 by 0.2, you will get the required. See, 23.5 by 0.2, around 115 or 116, you will get the mass. Okay, you get the mass equal to, this is the mass. Mass equal to around 16 kg. Okay, Here you can find the angle also. Here you can find the angle also, or you can draw the same line here in this figure also. Here also you can get the angle. Here you have to measure, that is theta value. Here also you can measure that value. Okay, like that you have to start. Then finally you will get the angle theta is equal to 200 degrees. Okay, you can measure here. Okay, you can measure here. Here also you can measure. Okay, thank you. The same problem you can solve without drafter. Okay, the process is same. Okay, based on the masses m1, m2, m3, m4. Okay, with the help of angles theta 1 0, theta 2 45. This is the 45. This is next 125, and this is 255. You have to draw as per the dimensions, only angles. After drawing these angles, okay, okay, you have to come to here to draw this polygon. Okay, initially you have to draw the AB with 0 angle. After that you have to measure what the angle here. Theta 2 is the 45 degrees. Okay, you have to draw protractor 45 degrees. 40 degrees. After then, okay, drawing this one, you have to fix this value as this is, see, the length is 4.5, the angle is 45 degrees. Then you have to mark the point C. So next angle is 125 degrees. Okay, you have to draw the horizontal line, reference line. From this you have to measure 120 degrees. Okay, in that line you have to extend this. There is length here 6 centimeters. In that 120 degrees you have to draw 6 centimeter line. Then mark the point as D. Mark the point as D. Now from this again you have to draw the horizontal line. Okay, from this, not this one. Okay, from this point you have to take 255 degrees. You have to take from this point only, take 255 degrees. Okay, so from this you have, from this point you have to extend the line. Okay, extend the line with 7.8. then mark the point as E. Okay, at the end you have to join these 2 points, then you can measure the angle here. Okay, both are same processes. Okay, at the end we will get AE value 2.50 centimeters. That means you have to convert as per scale factor, that is 21 kg meters. That nothing but MR value, that is the centrifugal force. You know R value, from this we can get the mass value. So to get the angle, here you can measure, or here also you can measure.